Stats show that up to 80% of new mums feel physically depleted in the first few weeks after birth. Yet some seem to bounce back with surprising energy, while others feel drained for months. It's not just about sleep, and it's not just genetics. One of the main culprit in this is what you eat. So if you just had a baby or you're caring for someone who has, here's what the body's really asking for after birth. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dr. Azad. I'm a medical doctor and a pharmacist working here in the UK. And today I'm breaking down exactly what your body needs nutritionally after childbirth. Whether it was a natural birth or a C-section, what I'm about to tell you is all backed by science, but I'm going to keep it very simple and very easy to follow. First of all, why does postnatal nutrition matter? In a nutshell, you've just been involved in a major physical event, which has many changes. You've lost blood, your hormone levels have crashed, you may have wounds that are healing, your digestive system will be sluggish, and if you're breastfeeding, your body is using even more energy. Postnatal nutrition has three main goals: help the body repair and heal, support milk production, and keep your energy levels stable. So let's break down the nutrients that you need. Number one is iron. Blood loss is normal after birth, but losing iron can make you feel weak, dizzy, and foggy. So what you need is iron-rich foods to rebuild your levels. That can include red meat, chicken, lentils, beans, and dark leafy greens like spinach and fortified cereals. And if you're vegetarian, pair those iron-rich foods with vitamin C. That will help your body absorb the iron better. Think bell peppers, oranges, strawberries, even a squeeze of lemon if possible. Number two, protein. Now we need protein for healing and hormone repair. Protein is your friend. It helps heal wounds, it repairs tissues, and helps balance hormones. Aim to include protein in every meal, even snacks. Your options will include eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken or fish, tofu or tempeh, nuts and seeds. Remember, your body is recovering from trauma. Protein gives it the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Number three, healthy fats. You need fat, not fried food or pastries, but the good stuff. Healthy fats support hormone balance and even mental clarity. Foods will include avocados, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, nuts and seeds, and full fat dairy if tolerated. Now these also help with absorbing vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for postpartum recovery. Number four is carbohydrates, and we need this for energy and breast milk. This is not a time to cut carbs. Your body needs slow releasing energy, especially with broken sleep and breastfeeding. So go for complex carbs, go for oats, you can go for brown rice, quinoa, whole grain bread, sweet potatoes. Don't be too picky during this stage. These types will help stabilize blood sugar and help maintain energy throughout the day. Number five, hydration. You're losing fluids constantly throughout the day, whether it's through sweat, urine, and breast milk. Dehydration leads to headaches, leads to tiredness, and low milk supply for your little one. So aim for at least 2 liters of water a day, more if breastfeeding. You can include coconut water, soups, or even herbal teas, which are a great addition. Even a warm broth counts, especially in those early days. Number six, fibre. Now, fibre is very important at preventing constipation. Constipation is very common after birth and can be very painful if not managed right, especially after a tear or a C-section. Always stay ahead of the game. Add fibre-rich foods like fruit, vegetables, chia, or flax seeds. Whole grains can help, and keep moving, even small walks, to help digestion. Number seven, nutrients for healing wounds. Now, vitamin C and zinc are essential for skin healing and tissue repair. Get your vitamin C from berries, citrus fruits, tomatoes, leafy greens, and get your zinc from pumpkin seeds, meat, dairy, whole grains. You don't need supplements unless you've been told by your doctor, because food is usually enough. Number eight, traditional postpartum foods. There's a lot of science backing the way certain cultures eat. In many Asian and Eastern European households, postpartum diets include things like bone broth and warm spice porridges, fenugreek tea, sesame seed snacks. Now these are easy to digest, keep you warm, they're nourishing, often rich in nutrients that support milk flow and recovery. So my practical advice is make it doable. You're tired, you're busy, you're not prepping gourmet meals, so keep it simple. Batch cook and freeze if possible. Use slow cooker meals. Keep healthy one-hander snacks ready and available like boiled eggs or nuts or oat bars. Don't skip meals. Even small regular meals can keep you nourished. And the main thing is, this is not a time to restrict calories. You've done something amazing. Now give your body what it needs to heal properly and for you to be active enough to help your little one. If this video helped, give it a like, please subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, inshallah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.